the solution for this example, we're going to set up our charts. I'll highlight that, so insert, and for now I'm going to set up that chart there. Now what we need to do is we need to set up the percentage is very small. It's right at the bottom here, so we need to be able to firstly see it and set it up as a line. So the way I would do it, just right click on any one of them, say change series chart type. You've now got your 3 series. We're happy enough with the revenue and the net revenue, but the net profit, which is minute, firstly I'm going to put it onto the secondary axis, and then secondly change it to a line. So now we've got that. I'm going to say OK. You may need to just make the charts a bit bigger so that the dates fit, and there you have your first chart.